Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Did you want to allow users to report inappropriate comments? In this video, I will show you how to allow users to report inappropriate comments in your WordPress blog. For this, you need to visit dashboard. First, we have to add a plugin. So hover over plugin and click on add new. Search Zeno report comments. Install first plugin. And activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now, from the settings, click on discussions. Under disallow comments keys, you can see allow comment flagging. Check this box and save changes. After setting saved, go back to posts and view post. Scroll down to the comments section. Here you can see report comment button. Click on it. You can see the after report message appears. Go back to dashboard. Click on comments. Scroll down. From the reported, you can see 2 reports. Now you can check this comment, move it to the trash, spam, everything that you want. Click on allow and remove reports. You can see the reports were removed. That's how you can allow a user to report your comments on your blog. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.